These homemade whole grain pita breads are so light and airy. The pitas are typically well served with hummus or any other dips. This recipe is simple and easy to make soft and chewy pitas at home. Hi everyone, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make wholemeal pita breads. So this is a very simple basic recipe. I'm just going to be adding all the ingredients to my food processor. I'm using my dough kneading hook. So I'm going to start by adding 200 grams of whole wheat flour. Now I'm adding 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 2.5 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and finally I'm going to add 1 cup of lukewarm water. Now combine the ingredients. So the ingredients are now all combined. Dust some whole wheat flour on a wet surface. Remove the dough from the food processor. Now knead the dough for about 5 to 6 minutes. The dough is now slightly elastic and moist. I'm going to grease a bowl with some olive oil. Place the dough in the bowl. Cover it with a tea towel. And now allow it to rest for an hour. After an hour, the dough has now doubled in size. I'm going to bring it down on a board. Make 10 equal parts. Now make dough balls. I'm now going to roll out the dough. It's about a 1/4 inch thickness, and then place it on a baking tray. Now once rolled, I'm going to cover it again and let it rest for another 10 minutes. I'm now going to bake my rolled wholemeal pita bread dough into my preheated oven for about 4 to 5 minutes at 180 degrees. My pitas are now baked. I'm going to remove them on a serving board. These are perfect pitas for adding fillings to the pockets or enjoy them with dips. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.